Okay, so I'm really nervous. I don't want to mess this up. Got my razor. I don't have to cut off much. That's the good thing. Let me get... This is like such a cute pouch. I got this off of Amazon. It was like $6. And it's like actually really nice. It's like canvas on the inside. And this pattern is just so pretty. I just love the colors. Like this color scheme is so pretty. I love it. So yeah, that was $6 and it fits my traveler's notebook perfectly. And then I could add some stuff too. So if I just want to take my journal with me and then a couple more things, I could, because this fits in here perfectly. But I just want to be able to keep the clear cover on the journal, like the notebook itself, to like, you know, help protect it, but also because like I have stuff in these pockets and I love this big front pocket as well. So yeah, I really don't want to take off the clear cover. And so that's why B6 will be fine. See, like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like, you know, it's not too much off. So I don't have to cut none on the sides, just a little bit, like not even that much, like a little bit off the top. So yeah, I'm just still nervous because I'm like, okay, so shoot. See, it's literally like the tiniest amount. As you can see, I just gotta cut off like a smidge. And then I'm gonna cut off a little bit and then like try to see how it fits in here. And then if I gotta cut it just a little bit more, I will. The only bad thing is I don't have a freaking ruler. So let's see how I'm gonna do this. And that can always be the bottom if I really wanted to. Now where's my leather punch gun? That's gonna take everything out. Thinking I could. Wait, honestly, I think that's fine. I'm just gonna make the holes. And then how I do the one in the middle, because my leather punch won't. So what I do is just like fold it a bit in the middle. See if I can do it, because I did it with the other ones. Fold it, like don't put the whole punch on there. Let's see, get it to focus on here. Kind of janky, but I feel like that. But that's how you can get a hole in the middle. It's okay, it's gonna be covered by string, so it's not gonna matter. Trying not to be like, oh, I gotta be perfect, because, you know, because then I'll really be upset. I'm not trying to be upset. See. So before I put the middle elastic in, I gotta figure out which charm I want to use. Oh, I didn't even freaking get me out for. Okay, let's see how this came out. So I'll put this through. This up front. Okay, I don't know how this charm is gonna... I don't know if this charm is gonna stay on there because, like, look how it looks. Looks kind of crazy. But overall, this is the cover. I just wanted to, like, do a little close-up so you can kind of see it in the sunlight. This is Undyed, so, like, if, you know, through time it's gonna like patina and like change colors and get darker, and I'm really excited for that. Right now this color is throwing me off a little bit. I'm like, I don't know, it like matches my desk a little bit, but like I said, like through time it's gonna patina and get all dark, and so I'm very excited about that. I think I might change out the charms though, because this ain't it. I mean, it would have looked cute. Like, I thought it looked cute, but I mean, it can like sit right here maybe. I don't know. But I need to find like better inserts, like for my traveler's notebook, because I do have these inserts on there, just a little bit smaller. But for right now, I'm not even gonna try to mess with that. I'm just glad that I got this set up and I did it. It's out the way and I got a different cover, so I'm really excited. I kind of am thinking of like rounding the edges, which I might do that. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know down below. The leather is from Michaels. This elastic is from Amazon. These charms are from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, so if you have any other questions, let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, so I changed the charm to this one. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. I want to look at more charms that can go on the front, but for right now, this is what it's gonna be. So, yeah.